Yeah, hey, good morning, everybody. Had to take my daughter to work 6:30 this morning. So I'm at the park all by myself. It was so busy yesterday here that I thought for sure that they would be dropping something. And I've been here about half hour so far, and all I found was a penny. Yeah, so I'm going to work my way around there, down, and up, and see what happens. And if I find anything good, I'll let you know. Well, I'd say that's interesting. I think that's a belly ring. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I see a surface find down there. Ooh, it's a penny. So it wasn't a total waste. So far I got 3 cents and a belly ring. Ho ho ho. Pretty cool. So on to the next. Well, I found the surface find. Rang up as a zinc penny. Right over it. I didn't even see it. Just blended in with the soil. So somebody's not getting in their house. So, hey, on to the next. Hey, it might be Carter. No, I'm only kidding. On to the next. You want to say heart stopper? Oh my goodness. I thought I had a ring. Yeah, I do have a ring. Key ring. Still working my way around here. I can't wait to see what that is over there. And they were pigs. There was garbage all over the place. Well, on to the next. Yeah, 2 inches down. I got myself a dime. Pretty cool. On to the next. Another low grunt. The brass key ring. It's right there. Just below the surface. I thought, well, it was either a nickel or a pull tab. Somebody left a leather jacket there. Got to investigate. Maybe it's got some ID in it or something. Let's check it out. Nothing. Palomares? Huh. I guess somebody will be back for it. On to the next. Yeah, I'm in this area. Real trashy. Found a couple of pennies. And I found this quarter. This was only like 2 inches down. Can't see the date. 1998. Pretty cool. On to the next. Yeah, I'm over by this fence. And about an inch down. Got another quarter signal. State quarter. I'm going to hit over there by the cliff. I want to hit here pretty good. I'm not sure about it in there though. About to see. Don't know how adventurous I am. On to the next. I was on the way home from the park, and I passed the school. I almost passed the school. I said, you know what? It's still early. It's before 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna hit this a little bit, you know. And so far, I got lucky. 1.5 inches, 2 inches down. Got myself a quarter. It's a Georgia peach quarter. Go figure. I live in Georgia. Ha ha ha. No, pretty cool though. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Yeah, it's a funny story. I was at the park, and a group of people in the pavilion. I mean, a big group, and it was so quiet. I was like, wow, these people are really, really quiet. And it didn't dawn on me, you know. So I was metal detecting, and I was about 50 yards away, and I'm watching, and it's just so quiet. And then there was like little groups, but they're facing each other. I'm like, what the hell? And I'm watching closely, and they're doing sign language. So they were deaf people. And you really don't, you take advantage of the gifts that God gave you, like hearing and sight. I couldn't do this without my hearing. My sight's going, but I can still see. But could you imagine trying to do this without any hearing? I mean, you have a machine like this where it shows you how many inches down and what it is, but you can't be looking around and swinging like you would normally. You have to actually be focused on the machine, and then the pinpoint, you need one with a light or a vibrator, you know. So yeah, we take things for granted that we really shouldn't. So I'm gonna keep hitting this a little bit, and then I'm gonna go home and have some breakfast. Oh yeah. See you on the next. Yeah, not much happening. I found a piece of paper here. And if it's somebody's phone number, you won't see it. Oh, look at that. The guy and the girl. Reminds me of that song. Do you love me? Check yes or no. That is so cute. On to the next. Yeah, my machine says there's a quarter. Right there. Let's see what we got. Yeah, here it is. Another quarter here. I think it's a quarter. Yeah, that's a quarter. There's a good old George. Cool. On to the next. I don't know what's all these clothes and shit laying around. There's one on the fence over there. I found actually there's three. I found this one here, and I got a signal here. It's a quarter signal. So you're right here. Huh. It's weird. Yeah, it goes right on top. Let's see. Alright. Get my PP out. That's my pin pointer. What do I do with it? But I lost it. Oh man. That's all I had to do. Yep, there it is. 1989. That's cool. Now what's with these sweaters here? Oh, actually this is a jacket. It's a cute sweatshirt. Yeah, inch down. Got this little trinket. It rang up as a zinc penny. And it's just bling jewelry for a kid. Came off a bracelet or something, but hey, it's pretty cool. I like it. I'll take it. On to the next. Yeah, I only found a couple of pennies so far around here. Then I found this. What the heck is this for? Kind of sharp on both ends. And I see breakfast. Look at that. Bagel. But no, I'm only kidding. I wouldn't eat that anyway. But I'll keep hitting here and then I'll hit over here. See what happens. I mean, look at the pigs. My God, this was all clean yesterday. On to the next. Yeah, as you know, I went out detecting this morning. It was awesome. It really was. 6:30 in the morning. Nobody's up. Yeah, the park was all mine. All mine. At least for a couple of hours. But all in all, it was a beautiful day. It was nice and cool. Let me show you what I got. Because these here, all the nail stuff, I actually found in the playground. You know, the swing sets and the slides. I couldn't believe it. I mean, look at that. I got some pull tabs. My pull tab collection is growing. Awesome. Academics tag. Oh yeah. Whatever that is. There was a few times I thought I might have had some rings. Look at that. Drove me crazy. I was like, oh yeah, streak is on, streak is off. Got some bottle caps. I don't know what this is. I guess it's the bearings for a roller skates. Got this trinket. Found this little thing. It drove me crazy. Rang up as a dime, and I couldn't find it. It was like 2 inches down. Look at that. That is tiny, tiny, tiny. And of course, I got this thing here. I got a couple of pencils. I got this belly ring. Look at that. Oh yeah, maybe I should pierce my belly. You know what? That might even be a nose ring. I'm not even sure. I'm touching it, right? Huh. Anyway, I found a button that says chamois, or shams, or chams. I've got 6 quarters, 2 dimes, and 15 pennies. Bada bang! There was a lot of targets. I threw out a lot of the big stuff already. You know, I had a huge stainless steel bolt, rang up as a nickel. And, you know, I just found a bunch of cans, so I just threw them out. It was a great day, had a lot of fun. I gotta do it again sometime. Well, I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday weekend. Good luck, happy hunting, and God bless.